Why most budgets fail and how to actually make one that works. You've probably tried budgeting before. You downloaded the app, made a spreadsheet, promised yourself this would be the month, and 2 weeks later, you're asking your friends if tacos count as a necessity. Let me tell you a hard truth. Most budgets fail, not because you're bad with money, but because the system you're using was broken from the start. But what if I told you there's a way to build a budget that works with your lifestyle, not against it, a system that doesn't feel like punishment, but like permission to live better, smarter, wealthier? Stick with me, because the way you think about budgeting is about to change, forever. Why most budgets fail? Here's the brutal truth. Most budgets are built on guilt, not goals. They're reactive, restrictive, and worst of all, unrealistic. We copy templates from financial gurus who don't know us. They tell us to spend 50% here, 20% there, but never ask, what do you actually want from your money? Telling a 25-year-old to stop buying coffee isn't financial advice. It's a comedy special. And here's the kicker. When budgets fail, we don't blame the budget. We blame ourselves. I just need more discipline. I guess I'm not good with money. Wrong. You just need a better system. The shift, what actually works. Point 1, start with vision, not numbers. Before a single number hits your spreadsheet, ask, what does freedom look like to me? What do I want money to do for me? Where do I want to be in 5 years? This is your money blueprint. Because a budget without a vision is like a GPS without a destination. You'll stay busy, but you won't go anywhere that matters. Your vision fuels your habits. And habits, not spreadsheets, build wealth. Point 2, build a zero-based system. Here's the secret weapon, zero-based budgeting. You assign every single dollar a purpose before it even hits your account. $300 to rent, $150 to groceries, $50 to that non-negotiable Friday sushi ritual. Hey, we're human. No dollar is left unemployed. If your money had jobs, some of yours are just scrolling TikTok in the break room. You don't need to restrict joy, you just need to plan for it. Because budgets don't limit freedom, they create it. Point 3, automate the essentials. Want to know the biggest budget hack? Don't rely on willpower, rely on automation. Set bills to auto pay, schedule savings transfers, automate investment contributions, even if it's just $50 a month. Because when life gets busy, and it will, your financial goals shouldn't suffer. You're not bad at budgeting. You're just a human trying to do life without a robot assistant. The less you have to think about money, the more peace and power you'll feel. Point 4, track backwards, adjust forward. Forget obsessing over receipts and color-coded charts. Instead, review your spending once a week. That's it. Look at what worked, what didn't, where you felt friction or freedom. Then adjust next month's plan. Because a great budget isn't static, it's alive. It flexes with your real life. Unexpected car repair? Shift. Surprise income? Reallocate. A failing budget judges you. A successful one learns with you. The transformation. So now, instead of waking up worried about overdrafts or random charges, you wake up knowing your bills are paid, your future is funded, and your money is working for you. You've gone from budget failure to financial architect. You didn't need more shame, you needed more strategy. Because budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about alignment, ownership, control. And in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to build your first zero-based budget from scratch in under 15 minutes using tools you already have. So hit subscribe, because you're not just managing money anymore, you're mastering it. Let me know.